Hello and welcome to Tuttle Data. Today we're going to show you how to use VLOOKUP to add additional information to help enhance your data set that you're using. So in my example here, I have about 9,000 rows of state name, date, and value. And what we want to do is pull in the region data for each state. So on the second tab here, we have the region data I just pulled from online. So to start out, let's create the region header. And then from here, we can do equals VLOOKUP and select the state name for the lookup value. And click comma. So the table array we're going to use is obviously the region. So starting out here, and just something to remember, so whatever value you are looking up by, so in this example, it's state, we want that value in our lookup table to be the leftmost column. Otherwise, Excel doesn't recognize what you're trying to look up. So from here, we'll do Control Shift over and down just to select the full range of our information. Click comma and number 2, because we want the second column within the lookup table, and then comma false, and just to get the exact match of state name from where we're looking up. Click enter, and this brings us to have Alabama and the southern region. And if we took the formula now and dragged down to all the other cells, what would happen is the reference table would shift and break our formula. So we want to click into the formula bar just at A1 here and click F4, or just put the dollar signs in front of each character. So let's go ahead and do that for the back end range as well. Click enter. And so now if we go to the bottom right corner of that cell, we see the black cross. Let's double click that. And that drags down the formula to all the cells that we need for each state. So now we have 9,000 regions for each of the states. And that's it. So if you like this video, please like or subscribe and follow for more data tips. Thanks for watching.